Alright, so what you see with a simple upgrade here, I have a MacBook A1278. It's an older MacBook 2008, but it works just fine, and I use it as a backup. Figured I'd actually upgrade the memory since I'm doing a few different memory upgrades today. So I went with ATEC premium memory, two 4 GB modules, and it had 4 gigs of memory, but now I'll have 8 gigs of memory. It wasn't too bad. It was about $40 on Amazon. But figured I'd make that part of just probably the last upgrade I can actually make here. Got a 500 gig hard drive. It does the job. So just doing an upgrade here, an upgrade on another MacBook that I had, and then a logic board replacement on my MacBook that originally created the issue, to kind of start this can of worms. But in any case, that's what I'm working on right now, and just about to put everything back together and then do the full test on that, and then work on the second memory upgrade. So more to come. Alright, with this project of the day, I'm taking off the logic board for my 2011 MacBook Pro. It's worked very well for me up until the last couple years. I had to replace the display board in 2020, and 2022 I actually had to replace the logic board. Now, I was given the recommendation to actually just throw this laptop out and just kind of give up on it, but that's not my nature. Fortunately, I was actually able to find a logic board right there on eBay. I was told that that was going to cost $300. I was able to find that for about $125. Installation was going to probably cost me another $200, but I decided to do it myself, and I was able to actually just remove the existing logic board. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar with what a logic board actually is or what it does, but this is the main board for the laptop. All the access ports and everything that are usually on the side, including power, USB ports, FireWire, and a bunch of the like, are right there. I'm actually just able to remove that. And there is a lot connected to it, but fortunately with the power of YouTube, I was able to figure out all the connections. Just had to find a way to remove them carefully, along with the screws. And now, since I got this main logic board out, it's time to put my replacement in and see if that actually provides the fix. If it does, then that will mean I will have performed the repair, not just for the $125 for that logic board over there, but also for this laptop, which I actually was also able to get on eBay, I think for $140. So this is the same laptop that I actually have, minus a few upgrades, but with the main laptop, a new case, and some memory that you actually see over there, I think I'm probably all in for this laptop for probably about $200. But I got a replacement laptop for $200, and I'm fixing my existing laptop for $125. So if everything works well, I will have gotten 2 laptops for, well, a little over $300, which was still less than the repair estimate for this one laptop. So why do I do stuff like this, you ask? Well, because this laptop does everything that I actually need, and I'm going to hold on to it until it just doesn't make economical sense to hold on to it anymore. So continuing on, and about to install this new circuit board. Alright, fortunately everything was a success. As you can see, having a display screen showing up on both laptops. The new laptop that I actually got, that has been re-imaged and has a fresh install, is obviously moving a lot faster. But the one on the right, I plan on giving that a cleanup, and that should speed things up quite a bit. So all in all, definitely money well spent, and very happy with the results.